Hey guys, so for the next couple of weeks, I'm gonna be trying to maybe film in a couple of different places. I ended up having to break down my little filming station so that I could make room for Christmas, glorious Christmas. I'm one of those early Christmas people. I know you may hate them. Where's the love for Thanksgiving? I get it. I love Thanksgiving too, but I'm a Christmas nut, so I really wanted a tree in the office, and so to make room for the tree, I had to break down my filming station. So I don't know exactly how this is going to go. This is my first location, and I'm kind of sitting at a weird angle. I'm not sure exactly how this is going to look, but anyways, doing a couple of 2018 Prizm football blasters. There is one auto or mem per box, and in these, we're looking for the disco prisms. 3 per box on average. You guys that watched and gals that watched me break the hobby boxes of this know that I did not have a lot of luck, so don't know that I'll do much better in blaster boxes, but you never know. I could do just as well as far as the hits go, because most of the hits that I pulled from the hobby stuff could have easily come from a blaster box, seriously. Pull these out. Oh, that's funny. Right there, that's a picture of my daughter when she was in third grade, and she made one of those, you know, funny kid ornaments. She's much older now. But it's funny that it's lined right up on her picture. I guess I'll have to show the one of my son to give equal time. Make sure to hit that one on the next video. Alright, let's get into this. See if I can feel if I've got a jersey or auto. Can't really tell. It might be an auto here. Jordy, Mariota. There is the first disco, and it is a rookie, DJ Chark. So that's nice. And Micah Hyde. Michael Thomas, Brandon Marshall. My next disco is Mariota. And then we have LeGarrette Blount. Diggs, Villanueva, a Fred Warner rookie, and Mohamed Sanu. Aguilar and a Bo Scarborough Disco Prizm autograph. Now I know he got cut from the Cowboys, but I don't know if somebody picked him up. I'm sure they probably did, but I'll have to find out who. So actually, with him coming from Alabama, to me this is not a bad hit at all. So alright, there's Cortland Sutton rookie and Vinatieri. Cooks, McCown, a Kelsey parallel, and LaShawn McCoy. The last pack of box 1 has Cousins, Josh Rosen instant impact, Deshaun Hand rookie, and Randall Cobb. I would call that not a bad box 1 at all. Like I said, just as good, if not better, than some of the hobby stuff that I opened. Brown, Jared Goff, a James Washington rookie disco, and Lamar Miller. Lynch, Reed, Corey Davis, Tucker, Kamara, Cam Chancellor, Mike White, Emmanuel Sanders. This feels like a jersey card. Cook, and it's DJ Moore. Premier jerseys. Good looking card. Josh Adams rookie, and David Johnson. Juju, Sue, Jimmy Graham parallel, and Carlos Hyde. And the last pack, Sean Jackson, Hall of Fame Emmitt Smith, Harold Landry rookie, and Calais Campbell. That's it. Not too bad, actually. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with those. I've got 2 more, so you'll see me open those in another video. But that's it for this round. Everybody take care. I'll be back soon.